Welcome to this vocabulary video for grade 9 students.
Get ready, today we will learn important vocabulary. Let's learn together. So, the first is...
Innovative. Innovative means introducing new and creative ideas or methods. The teacher used innovative methods to make learning fun and effective. Synonyms are creative, modern, inventive.
Now, the second is
Irreversible. Irreversible means something that cannot be changed back. The damage caused by pollution can be irreversible if not controlled in time. Synonyms are permanent, final, unchangeable.
Now, the third word is intuition. Intuition means understanding something without conscious reasoning. Her intuition guided her to make the right decision at the right time. Synonyms are instinct, insight, gut feeling.
Next, the fourth word is... Fourth!
Aversion. Aversion means a strong dislike or hatred. He has a strong aversion to waking up early in the morning. Synonyms are dislike, hatred, resistance.
And now, the fifth word is...
Distinctiveness. Distinctiveness means being unique or clearly different from others. Her creativity gives her work a strong distinctiveness. Synonyms are uniqueness, originality, individuality.
Let's see. The sixth word is... Sixth.
Haunted. Haunted means filled with fear or disturbed by something, often like ghosts or memories. He was haunted by the memories of his past mistakes. Synonyms are troubled, disturbed, possessed.
Get ready. The seventh word is... Seven.
Fortune. Fortune means wealth or good luck. She built her fortune through hard work and smart decisions. Synonyms are wealth, luck, prosperity.
Wait for it. The eighth word is...
Iteration. Iteration means repeating a process to improve it. Each iteration of the project made it better and more refined. Synonyms are repetition, cycle, version.
Get ready. The ninth word is...
nimbleness. Nimbleness means the ability to move quickly and easily. His nimbleness helped him avoid every defender on the field. Synonyms are agility, quickness, flexibility.
Surprise! The 10th word is... 10.
Reflection. Reflection means deep thinking or an image seen in a mirror. After careful reflection, she decided to improve her study habits. Synonyms are thought, consideration, image.
Here we go. The 11th word is...
Regret. Regret means feeling sorry for something you did or didn't do. He deeply regretted wasting time before his exams. Synonyms are remorse, sorrow, guilt.
Don't blink. The 12th word is... 12.
Behemoth. Behemoth means something extremely large and powerful. The tech company has grown into a behemoth in the global market. Synonyms are giant, colossus, titan.
Here it comes. The 13th word is
13.
Omission. Omission means leaving something out or not including it. The omission of key details made the report incomplete and confusing. Synonyms are exclusion, neglect, skipping.
The first word is haunted, which means filled with fear or troubled by memories, and its synonyms are troubled, disturbed, and possessed. The next word is fortune, which means wealth or good luck, and its synonyms are wealth, luck, and prosperity. The next word is regret, which means feeling sorry for a past action, and its synonyms are remorse, sorrow. The next word is behemoth, which means something extremely large and powerful, and its synonyms are giant, colossus, and titan. The next word is intuition, which means understanding without conscious reasoning, and its synonyms are instinct, insight, and gut feeling. The next word is iteration, which means repeating a process to improve, and its synonyms are repetition, cycle, and version. The next word is aversion, which means a strong dislike or hatred, and its synonyms are dislike, hatred, and resistance. The next word is nimbleness, which means the ability to move quickly and easily, and its synonyms are agility, quickness, and flexibility. The next word is omission, which means leaving something out, and its synonyms are exclusion, neglect, and skipping. The next word is reflection, which means deep thought or an image in a mirror, and its synonyms are thought, consideration, and image. The next word is irreversible, which means cannot be changed back, and its synonyms are permanent, final, and unchangeable. The next word is distinctiveness, which means the quality unique or different, and its synonyms are uniqueness, originality, and individuality. The next word is innovative, which means introducing new and creative ideas, and its synonyms are creative, modern, and inventive.
Now use these words in your sentences. Flash, do your best.
So the words are persistence, tragic feat, intricacies, persuasion, obstacles, paralyzing devotion, prima facie, indomitable, criticism, incapacitated, accomplish.
Use these words in your sentences. Haunted, fortune, regret, behemoth, intuition, iteration, aversion, nimbleness, omission, reflection, irreversible, distinctiveness, innovative, best wishes.
Hey kids, are you ready?